guys, today's Cooking with the KAM Fam is not started yet. So we got the grill, or the griddle, firing up. But today, we are cooking dessert.
Yum! So we're gonna try it.
We're gonna try this. So this is something new. Graham crackers. I don't even know how to make this, so we're gonna rely on Taryn. Hopefully she knows what she's doing. And McKenna's gonna patiently wait because she wants to eat some of this. So we have some Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, some marshmallows, some graham crackers. So what the heck are we making?
Well, we are making a s'mores dip on the griddle in a pan because, you know, it would be messy. But this is a special request because we didn't get s'mores during our vacation, which we bought the supplies for, but then rained out. So, first steps first. We got to open these chocolates and layer the pan.
All right, so we're going to do that.
So it's going to be some magic here.
All right, so we just do... All right, and we have our chocolate.
Boom! All right, next up in this s'mores is...
marshmallows. We're just going to dump these in?
We're just going to dump some in. As little or as many as you want. We're not a big chocolate. Let's dump them all.
We're going to dump all.
We're going to dump them all.
So guys, this was not a full bag, just so you know, because...
we did sneak out a few. All right, so we have the burners turned down to low. Shake, shake, shake.
Get a little marshmallow spread. All right, we're going to drop it on the griddle. Just like so. And
just like so.
We're going to close the lid.
We're going to close the lid.
And we'll check
and we'll be right back.
Soon.
Let's check progress. Let's see how...
Alright, so I don't see much melting going on yet.
Oh, good. Just didn't want to burn, so we didn't know how long it would take. So that was about a minute.
If that.
To check it. So we'll give it some time.
Alright.
Alright, so we have some melting.
Alright.
How do the marshmallows feel? Are they getting soft yet?
Not really. I mean, the bottoms obviously are getting soft, but they're pretty stuffy still.
Alright, it should start to expand.
They can't see your hand.
I know, I was showing you what it should do.
So she's trying to do this. It's supposed to like this, whatever this means, guys.
Expand and get big, but you can see the chocolate starting to go. We'll keep an eye on it.
Stay tuned.
All right, let's check in. Ooh, they're getting a little bigger.
So it actually smells like toasted marshmallows. I don't know if we should be stirring this or we wait a long time.
No, our goal is we don't have to stir, but we'll see. We just want to make sure the chocolate's not burning.
All right, guys, we're checking again. Ooh, we got a little bit of puffing going. I saw some pop.
Ooh, yes.
Some steam popping.
It's breathing in the middle. See that heartbeat right there? Boom, boom. Boom, boom.
If you're not drooling yet, I don't know. And in case some of you are worried, if you hear the noise in the background, it's thunder. That's not your stomach growling, even though this is going to be delicious.
We just got to make sure we don't smell any burning chocolate. I'd say a few more minutes to get those. Maybe the chocolate smell a little bit more too.
All right, so we're gonna get a few
but
more
that
puffs.
Heartbeat's a good and strong.
All right, do we have any more puffs? We got a good strong one.
All right, let's grab a graham cracker and see. It's the best way to see if it's ready.
Oh, this might be done. We're just gonna what? Stick it in?
Stick it where that heartbeat is. Can you pick up the chocolate underneath too? Like scoop.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Well, I think I hit a chocolate hole. Or... Ooh.
Yes, I look.
Some marshmallow.
It's not too bad.
Double cooking.
We're gonna get the spoon. Let's do a little stirry stir, which will make it not look as pretty, but we just want to make sure
Mommy,
that chocolate is not burning.
All right, so we're gonna, I don't know, this side looks more done than the other side. What do you think?
We'll see. We'll take it off and try it.
All right, guys, so we're gonna bring this into the table. We're gonna tell you our thoughts on whether or not we need to heat it up a little bit longer, or it's delicious.
Should be extra marshmallowy. That's what the part we like. So we'll see you on the inside.
All right, guys.
Bye.
All right, the best part of this is no cleanup. Cleanup is a breeze. It's done. All right, now you don't have to use as many marshmallows if you, oh, thank you. If you like chocolate. We like the marshmallow part of the s'mores the best. That's why we used the peanut butter cups to get the peanut butter flavor as opposed to the chocolate. So you can always use this with
Thank you.
the Hershey's chocolate. All right, girls, let's see it.
Try with cookies and cream. That would be good. Oh yeah, that would taste good.
Make sure you get to the bottom, otherwise you're only getting marshmallow.
Oh. Is it hot?
It's gonna be warm, yes. That was a big chunk. What'd you think?
I think it's pretty good. It basically like tastes like a s'mores.
Like a s'mores, what's good?
All right, Kevlin, do you want some?
All right, Dad's gonna get yours ready. That's a lot. Especially if we know it's hot.
Is that better?
I like it.
You like it? Just one thumb up like it?
And
Two?
So the real test is, what if you make this just like a s'more? And
Ooh, that sounds messy, but of course he's gonna give it a try.
I'm just gonna give a little bit. We're gonna scoop it on and eat it like an open-faced sandwich. So I do think some of the chocolate, I don't know if burned is the right word, but got stuck. And we did not spray the pan at all.
You can kind of taste the burnt chocolate.
Mommy, can you move the pad a little to the other side to me? Because I can't reach.
Much are you dripping? Oh, good thing you had the other graham cracker for that.
It's a lot.
It's a lot.
My
Got a
hand.
lot of chocolate with a scoop.
Yeah, that was a lot of chocolate.
Okay.
Ken is all about the marshmallow. Now, do
I
you...
wanna reach.
Okay, 1 second. Do you like your marshmallow toasted or burnt?
I like my
I
marshmallow.
like to put it on fire, like burn it. Yeah.
Yes.
I like to
I like
burn
to burn it.
Burn it. What do you like?
it. Like to burn it.
No, you're joking. You only like it to be toasted. And she would probably prefer it just a plain marshmallow. What's your choice?
Golden brown.
Golden.
People who burn it are crazy.
All of us.
Well, you're looking at her.
I like it
I
fluffy.
like it flame broiled. I want it to just sit on a skewer and burn so it gets all the way through.
That's what I just like
That
outside
is
her.
the taste of campfire.
Did you
Delish.
try this at all?
I have.
Oh, you haven't even tried?
No, this
I'm gonna
chicken's
hold the
good.
camera.
It's not as hot as you say.
It's hot.
No, I don't
Some
think it's
spaces
that
are
hot.
hotter than the other.
It's pretty good. The peanut butter
Can you crack one for me?
is delicious.
All right, guys. So dessert on the Blackstone. We're giving this a thumbs up. Would you do it again?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Probably a smaller pan.
Right, probably go a little smaller. This was the pan I had available. But, any closing remarks?
Go and try it for
It's
yourselves.
delicious. Yes, for the peanut butter, you definitely have to get in there and scoop it up.
Stay fluffy.
Stay fluffy.
All right, guys, this is gonna wrap up Cooking with the KAM Fam. Hope you enjoyed it, and we're gonna enjoy this dessert. Bye.